Hey guys, I have a quick little thing I wanted to show you guys. I've been messing with my helmet and I actually got it all wired up. I'm going to put it on in a second and show you, but first off I'm going to show you what the inside of it looks like. So y'all saw the liner. I did that liner. It's just out of one of those cheap hard hats from Lowe's. I actually ended up adding a little pad on the top there just to raise it up a little bit, and also just a little more padding there. So I've got my fan right here on the back. The end of it that blows out is right here, and it blows down the side here and circulates all in there really good. I've tried it on and wore it to see if it would fog up, and it doesn't fog up at all. And I actually mounted it on the side at first, but it was like right by my ear. So it was like right there in my freaking ear. So behind the head is pretty nice. It doesn't bother me all that much. It's still loud because it's a fan in a helmet that's on your head, but it's not quite as bad as it was by my ear. So fan in the back, the wires are in this nice little plastic tube here, going over here to the power supply. And so when I kick the fan on, I just hit this little switch and it comes on. It's blowing all in there. So turn that off. And then I also wired the lights for the front here. And this is the battery pack for that. It just takes 2 AA batteries. I got these on Amazon. I'll try to put all the links down below, or you can message me and get them. And the wires go right here in the little tubes. Excuse me. And then up here to the TUSKS. And this little thing you see right here is actually a Bluetooth speaker. Let me take it off and show you. Look at how small this little thing is. I mean, it's, whoop, almost dropped it. It's tiny, little bitty thing. And the brand is InSiq, I guess is how you say it. It's INSIQ. I also got that on Amazon, and it sounds awesome. I'll put it on in a minute and play it for you. But so I just put the soft side of the Velcro right here right on the snaz, and then this thing has the industrial strength, the grippy side, and I stick that baby right there, and the sound echoes off my face and all through the front here. So I'm gonna put it on, and I've got my phone, just some, I'm actually using the free Star Wars Death Trooper 40 free voice-over sound effects from Film Masters. So let's put this on real quick. And I'll turn the lights on and stuff for you too. So helmet's on, that's me talking. Let me get my phone here, and then I will play some sound, and then I'll turn the lights on first. So the lights are just a little button, click them. They might look blue on there, but they're not blue, I promise you. They're green. For some reason, they look blue on camera. So I can do this, or I can do a flash, which I probably won't ever use, or I can do a fast flash. So there's that. Now let me turn the sounds on for you. So, not bad. I mean, that speaker was $11 or $12, and instead of buying like an expensive speaker system and all that, and you never really know about those cosplay speaker voice changer things. I kind of did some research on those, and the reviews are kind of like, some are good, some are bad. Some people are like, oh yeah, they work great, but I just didn't even want to try it. This thing was $12, so I was like, if it doesn't work, I'll just take it to work with me, and when I'm taking product photography or taking product photos or editing on my computer, I'll just put my little tiny speaker right next to me and play some music. So it's a win-win, I guess. But it really works out great. I mean, it's tiny. I don't even know what's in there when I have the helmet on. The helmet's super clean inside. I might actually, the rest of these spots that are just open there, I might just put some felt in there. I have some little pieces of felt. Let me get it. This is just little sheets of felt. Nice soft felt with a sticky back. I got those on Amazon too. And I've actually lined a lot of my armor with that on the inside, just the spots that rub together and stuff. So yeah, that's the helmet. Turn the lights on. Lights are on. And turn some So a quick little video there, guys. I wanted to share with you what I've been doing. I haven't been, I actually shot a weathering video with all of the pieces of armor I weathered, but I deleted it. So I'm gonna do a kind of like a overview of what I did and the methods that I used. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow. I've just been kind of busy. But anyways, guys, I hope you all have a good night, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.